deeply to all of you. And a very warm welcome to our prestigious guest.
सुखकर्ता दुःखहर्ता वार्ता विघ्नाची नुर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर उदिशेंदुराची कंठी झळके माळ मुक्ता फळांची जय देव जय देव.
थैंक यू सो मच. आपका नाम?
माय नेम इज श्वेता.
तो श्वेता जी, आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा आज?
इट वाज रियली फन. इट वाज अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी जिसमें हम सब एक दूसरे की फैमिली से मिल पाए, एक दूसरे से और ज़्यादा इंटरेक्ट कर पाए. एंड सबसे बड़ी बात, हमारी फैमिलीज को काफ़ी मज़ा आया. आई बिलीव एटलीस्ट आई कैन से दैट फॉर माय फैमिली.
Thank you so much. It was really nice talking to you and thank you for beautiful, beautiful feedback. What's your name, ma'am?
सोनिका बिरला.
Wow, Sonika ma'am, so how was your experience?
मैं यहाँ पे आके मुझे हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा और मैं चाहती हूँ कि इससे भी नेक्स्ट टाइम ऐसे ही हो.
तो मैम, मेरे को लगता है सीईओ सर को बोलना पड़ेगा इस बार ना. मैं जाते जाते पक्का बोल के जाऊंगी कि इससे और ज्यादा अच्छा होना चाहिए, as everybody is loving it. Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your feedback. So now we have the lady with a beautiful, beautiful smile with us. Ma'am, you can walk. Woo! We need the cheering part. Woo! That's amazing. I like to hear from both of you together.
Myself Divya Madhur, Mrs. Amrit Madhur.
Myself Koshin Madhur.
And I had a beautiful time and experience over here. Especially I got a compliment on my smile. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I also had a beautiful experience here and especially in the science activity. Thank you so much.
Pleasure is all mine, darling. And thank you so much, ma'am.
First of all, I would like to thank O2 Power family who organized these types of event for a big family. And we had a really great time here and really it's become a one big family. So I hope this types of events happens again and again and so we will meet and enjoy together. Thank you.